Oh, yes. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh, look, keep. I need to.
Fantastic.
Mike, I can't see. Trying to pour the. I'll wait for the.
Oh, that's wicked.
Wow.
Oh my, yeah, come on, watch. Woo, that's amazing.
You could have seen them from anywhere, by the way. Give me them.
La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. Inside, my dear, oh, inside. Again, how many times? Woo!
I'll pour it now. That's some fireworks.
You're attracted to the piper right now?
How many are you drinking?
Amanda?
How many people are there?
I'm not drinking at the moment, but I am drinking. But I would be drinking.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Thank you, Mayor of
So,
London.
how is this comparing, Bill?
Very good, very good.
Someone's going to kill himself.
So that was courtesy of the Mayor of London.
Round it.
You
So,
didn't
can you
pay
move
for
to
it,
the side?
but yeah. Look at it like that. And the tourists enjoyed it, so we paid very much. Look how pretty the fireworks are.
That was all birds that were at war.
I don't think you should. Man, didn't there's music?
So it's red and purple to this year's colour.
Must be the colour of this
Can we
year.
hear them?
That looks like champagne.
That looks cool. Woo!
Don't do too big a thrust over the balcony. They were very excited.
Woo! You can see them all the way down the river. Oh yeah. Who's singing? Sounds like Duffy.
It's not Duffy, it's
Champagne. Get it when it's hot.
Thank you very much.
It's fine. You got one, haven't you, Chris? There you go.
Thanks very much. Thanks.
Happy Christmas, New Year, William.
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year, William!
Happy New Year.
Film you with the fireworks behind you. Doing your New Year's Eve message.
I can't see
Happy
fire.
New Year, everybody.
Who wants to put the last glass?
Yeah, you have it, Matt.
No, I've got 2.
It's gotta be Deborah's. It's gotta be yours.
I thought I understood that.
Oh, look at the fireworks.
Those are wicked.
Amanda, do you want something small like that for your wedding?
Yeah.
Those ones especially, I like those. That's amazing. They are so pretty.
Wow, look at you go.
Oh, God, that's gorgeous. I want them.
It's quite good at because the whole sky is there.
It's like someone's emptied, I can't say it, you know what, emptied kind of thing. A pot of glitter.
Yeah.
Gorgeous.
Catherine Wheels.
That's cool. Mr. Lemon.
Happy New Year.
It's a big firework display.
I have to say it's better than Battersea.
Yeah.
So on a scale of 1 to 10, if compared to Sydney, how do you rate?
Very good. About 7, 8. Very good.
I love you so. Said I love you. Oh, 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 oh.
I'm too
Are
scared.
they waving?
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
I think we woke them up.
Oh, they are still going big.
You need something street.
It's Plan B again.
Yeah, this is good actually. I like this one.
Is it the first song you'd want to hear in 2011?
At least it's got a good beat.
This is true. I think Dizzy. Dizzy Ross has got to be the guy to bring in the new year, really. Let's drop Brian in.
If you do your impression of it and do the foot shuffle, that will bring me out.
Make everybody back bones. Jack Jones. Stop squalling.
Did you see in 2012?
What?
Did you make your own hoot nanny?
Yeah, I feel like the Dizzy tribute tags. But stop squalling.
I thought you were down on the embankment,
Yeah, we didn't
but
make
you're not.
it.
I don't think.
No.
No.
We didn't make it as far as even the door.
Yeah, I don't want to hear any more about Boris Johnson, but we've got to put the tube fares up, it's running out of money.
Yeah, this is going to
Yeah.
be so long.
That would
It's a
have
big
stopped the
fireworks
6% increase. But hold on, this year's fireworks was paid for by the Kensington and Chelsea congestion charge.
Yes, we lose it.
No.
4, we've had it.
What's the big finale?
Well, probably about 6 a.m. Let's just
We'll just keep going.
They could have brought their own firework.
What's the sparklers? Big flowers are
Oh yeah,
sparklers.
we have the sparklers.
That's the big finale.
Whoa, that nearly went over. Hello,
Oh,
Ma.
look at this, look at this! I mean,
Happy New Year. Is it midnight with you? Is it midnight with you as well?
oh,
I
they're
am
so
only in
pretty.
North
I don't
London
know,
now.
the London Eye's got amazing fireworks as
who
well.
went
It's
to
incredible.
school?
On Miranda's balcony. It's amazing.
Wait, my phone's ringing.
Yeah, loads. It's amazing. It's amazing. Yeah, we just stayed in. There's a few of us came around, chilled
Hi.
out. It was very good. Yeah, it's
Happy
good.
New Year.
Yes, they sound amazing.
I love you, boy.
They sound good.
Oh,
Yeah, it's good. Well, Happy New Year.
Yeah, man.
But no, it's really good. Have you had fun?
Have you had fun?
Have you?
I think the only thing you miss here is the sound of explosions.
That's all
Which I
we've
can only
done
just
here.
Oh
hear.
wow!
Happy New Year
That's-
to you.
I'm quite jealous.
Everybody's here to watch the fireworks.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah. Happy New Year. Take care. Okay.
Happy New Year.
Love you.
How are you guys doing?
Will do. Let me go up to Brian. Yes. Just
William, do you want to say Happy New Year?
Happy New Year.
He says Happy New Year. Dad, Mum says Happy New Year.
Happy New Year!
He says Happy New Year. Have a lovely night, Mum. See you soon.
We're just watching them off the
Bye.
London Eye.
Bye.
I don't know how you pick out the back
No,
end.
they're
Matt,
brilliant.
why did you change her name at my
Happy New
phone?
Year.
What's that?
Bye.
Hi. You going up to Brian?
Nothing. Mum said Happy New Year.
Oh, look at this.
She was happy.
Fireworks, I love that.
When she called me, it said Mum's birthday today.
Still bang it. Alright.
It's
That's
so
probably
weird.
Emily.
You need your phone,
It's
Rob.
your
Well, how much did this display is costing?
Millions and millions.
She's calling from Canada. She's got a gay husband.
I don't
Answer
remember
it.
so much red before. Do you remember so much
Yeah, it's
red?
very
It said
colourful.
Mum's birthday.
You need your phone, Rob.
Do you want me to go and get the phone?
She's very
You know what it's
distressed.
significant? What it's symbolic of?
What's that?
Britain's in the red.
Oh, Britain's in red, exactly.
How are you?
Recovery.
It's a warning of
Let's
collapse
watch
to
the
come.
fireworks at the Thames.
Well,
You
it
might
is.
go to your balcony, actually. They're amazing. They're still going.
Matt, it says
These are
Mum's birthday.
insane fireworks.
I'm around this balcony. Fireworks. It's an amazing display.
We're going to finish. We're going to finish. Don't worry about it,
They're
Joe.
still going.
My mum said hello.
Yeah.
That's it.
Okay, yeah.
was like.